Good morning everyone. So let us start our class. Question number 2 last we have done, right? So question number 3. This question number 3 is same like that one. Second last question of exercise 6.2. Okay, 6.2. I think so. Question number it is how much? 6.2 question number 9, and this question number 3 is quite same. Okay, but that question we have done by Thales theorem. This one we will do by similarity. This is much more easier. Okay, so you see in exam, in any process you can do. Question number 3, what is given? Diagonals AC and BD of a trapezium ABCD. So this is the trapezium ABCD. Okay, diagonals AC and BD, diagonals AC and diagonals BD of trapezium ABCD with AB parallel to CD, AB is parallel to CD, intersect each other at point what? At point O. Then using similarity criterion for two triangles, show that. Okay, so this time we will use similarity. You write the given part. So given ABCD is a trapezium where AB is parallel to what? CD. Okay, AB is parallel to CD. Done. Okay, so to prove what? Write the two proofs. We have to prove OA by OC, OA by OC, this will be equal to OB by OD, OB by OD, right? Okay, no construction is required over here. Directly we will use, we will prove two triangles similar and we will get this one. Okay, so proof. In Thales theorem, how we have done? There was a construction, right? We have drawn a line parallel to that. So over here we no need anything. Okay, so now the question comes, which two triangle? So you see this one, OA is there, OC is there, OB is there, OD is there. So you need a triangle, you need the triangles where this side will include OA. This OA should come. Okay, this OA, okay, this side. OB, this OB should come. OC, this OC should come, and OD, this OD should come. So this side should come. Okay, so what triangles you can take? Now two option is there. Some of you may think this triangle and this triangle. Okay, so OA is there, OB is there, OC is there, and OD is there. Okay, okay, correct. Then some of you may think this triangle, OA is there, OB is there, OC is there, and OD is there. That is also correct. So which triangle we should select? This pair of triangle or this pair of triangle? We have to select this pair of triangle. Okay, this one, and this one. Why these two? Because of this one, AB parallel CD. We need these parallel lines inside the triangle. This line we need. Then only we can use the parallel lines property, that is alternate angle or corresponding angles, like that. Okay, so this AB and CD we need. Okay, over here that thing is not there. Understood? So what triangles we will select? In triangle AOB and COD. So proof, in triangle AOB and triangle COD, what we will have? At first you see this angle is equal to this angle, isn't it? Vertically opposite angle. So angle AOB will be equal to what? Angle COD. Already we know this one, what? Vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. Next, one more we need. Okay, because minimum what? AA. One was AAA criteria and angle. Another is what? Angle criteria. Two ways are there, right? So one more angle minimum you need. Okay, so what I can say, since AB is parallel to CD, that's why we have selected these two triangle. So I can say that this angle will be equal to this angle. Alternate angles. That's why we need this parallel lines. Okay, to bring this alternate angle. In this triangle, you cannot say that this angle will be equal to this angle, because it is not said that they are parallel. They are not parallel. If they are not parallel, then this angle will never be equal to this angle. Okay, but in this triangle we can say that this angle will be equal to what? This angle or not? What is an alternate angle? So you write angle ABO will be equal to angle CDO. Reason what? Alternate angle. This one also we can say that angle what? This angle will also be equal to this angle. Same reason, alternate angles. Only the transversal has changed. At first the transversal are what? This say AB, CD. The transversal was this one. This time again same AB, CD. Only the transversal has changed to what? AC. This time the transversal is AC. So again same thing. Alternate angles. Okay. Same logic. So again you can say that angle BAO will be equal to angle DCO. Okay. Same reason is what? Alternate angles. Alternate angles. Okay. Alternate angles. So see, we have got three pair of angles equal. First pair, second pair, third pair. So we can say what? Therefore, triangle A. Okay, while writing, be careful. Okay, be careful. See, with angle A, what is equal? This is angle A. Okay, this is the vertex of angle A. What is equal? C is equal. Correct? With angle A, first right angle triangle AOB will be similar to triangle. Now with A, what is equal? With A, C is equal, right? So C will come at first. With O, what is equal? With O, O is equal. So CO, and last is what? D. So triangle COD. You cannot write DOC, okay? You have to write what? COD only. So triangle AOB is similar to triangle what? COD. By what? By A. Okay. So done. So if they are similar, then I can say that the sides will be proportional or not. So I can write the sides to be proportional. How? So from here only I can write AO. If I take AO, then over here I will take what? CO will be equal to. If I take OB, then I will take what? OD. Okay. And last is what? If I take AB, then I will take what? CD. Done. We have got. Now which two we need? I need OA by OC. Oh, where is OA? This is OA. Where is OC? This is OC. This one I need OB OD. OB OD is this one or not? So I can write which implies. Okay. So I can write which implies AO by CO will be equal to OB by OD. Just flip this one. In place of AO, you write OA by OC will be equal to OB by OD. Hence proved. Okay. So very simple using similarity criterion. Okay. Rather than Thales theorem, it is better if you do it in this theorem. Okay. Okay. Next question. Question number what? Question number 4. Draw the diagram. PQR. This is T. This is P. This is Q. This is S. This is R. This is angle 1, and this one is angle 2. Angle 2. Done. Okay. So question number 4. what is given, you write in the figure 6.36, QR by QS, QR by QS, okay, QT by PR, it is given. So you write given question number how much? 4, right? Question number 4 given QR by QS, this will be equal to QT by PR, and what is given? Angle 1 is equal to what? Angle 2, and angle 1 is equal to what? Angle 2. Show that triangle PQS is similar to triangle TQR. Okay. So proof. See, I have said in the previous class that if in the question they write similar, then you can use a trick from here. Okay. What trick? That angle P will be equal to what? Angle T. Angle Q will be what? Equal to angle Q. Angle S will be equal to angle R. So I can say that P will be equal to what? T. So now check over here. Which is triangle PQS? PQS. So this angle P will be equal to angle T. Is there any reason like that? Do you know any reason why P will be equal to T? We don't know, okay? So forget about this angle. Angle Q will be equal to angle Q. Angle Q will be equal to angle Q. Do you know any reason? Yes, common angle. See, PQS, this is angle Q. TQR, this is angle Q. So yes, they are a common angle, it is, okay? Then S is equal to R. This is angle S, this is angle R. Do you know any reason for that? Again, we don't know any reason, okay? So only for one angle we know the reason. Only for how many angles? One angle. So we don't know any reason for any other angle. Now for sides, that means we cannot use the property of AAA or AA, okay? Now let us use the property for sides. How many sides it is given? Only 2. Only 2. SS, another side is not given. So we cannot use the property of sides also. So only one option left then. The third one, SAS. One angle and 2 sides. So by that property we will prove that these triangles are similar. Okay. So how? Let us see. At first you see this one is given angle 1 is equal to angle 2. There is a problem with this one. Okay. This problem we have to solve at first. What this is this problem you see. Okay. One thing we have understood that what? This QQ you will show equal. If QQ you will show equal, then what was the rule of SAS? That if this angle is equal, you show, then the sides touching this angle must be proportional. Understood? If this angle is equal, then the angle should be between that sides. So which two sides are there? This angle is between which two sides? One is QS, one is QR. So I can clearly see QR and QS is there. No problem. Okay. QR and QS is there. Okay. Then another one will be what? QP and QT. QP and QT. So QT is there, but QP is not there. Instead, what is given? PR is given. So this PR we don't need. Okay. We need what? QP. So this thing you have to understood. Okay. So that thing we will change at first. In place of PR, I need QP. Okay, in place of this PR, I need QP. Then only SAS will follow. Okay. Okay, for some reason the video stopped. Okay, maybe because of battery issue or something. I think so. The battery is less. Okay, so we were where that in place of PR, I need what? PQ. Then only it will match. It is not matching. You see, QR, QS. This is QR. This is QS. So it should have stayed QT, QP. Then only it will match. But it is what? QT and PR. So this PR is not matching, right? So in place of PR, I need what? PQ. So how will I bring? I will use this one at first. Since angle 1 is equal to angle 2, this is given. Now in which triangle these angles are lying? So angle 1 and angle 2 are clearly lying in PQR, isn't it? In triangle PQR. Since angle 1 is equal to angle 2, so therefore what? PQ will be equal to what? PR or not? PQ will be equal to what? PR or not? Since angle 1 and angle 2 are equal, this triangle is what? An isosceles triangle. If in a triangle, now these two angles are lying in which triangle? PQR. So in this triangle PQR, if angle 1 and angle 2 are equal, then this triangle is what? Isosceles triangle. So in isosceles triangles what? These two sides will be equal. Sides opposite to equal angles are what? Equal or not? So you can give the reason. Sides opposite to equal angles are what? Are equal. This you have already got in your lower classes, okay? So got PQ equal to PR, not done. In place of PR I will write what? PQ and job done, okay? So now what is given? QR by QS. QR by QS will be equal to what? QT by PR. This thing is given. But in place of PR, I need what? In place of PR, I need PQ. So I will write PQ. This you can give as what? This you can give as equation 1. Okay. So QR by QS will be equal to QT by what? QT by, you can write PQ. Okay, QT by PQ. Okay, done. Now there is one last problem is there. That problem is what? See, this triangle it is first, then this triangle is second. So in this triangle what is there? QS is there. QS is in this triangle. So this, if this triangle is first, then QS should have remained first, but it is now at down. QR is second, but QR is at first. Similarly, PQ is at second. PQ is at first, but over here PQ is what? At below. So we will change that one. Okay, we will change. So now one more line we will write. Just we will reverse this one. Reciprocal you do. QS by QR. This one what? We have done reciprocal. So if left side we have done reciprocal, right side will also get what? Reciprocal PQ by what? QT. PQ by what? QT. Okay. So which implies see one more thing. In the question what it is asked, show that triangle PQS, we have to show triangle PQS similar to what? We have to show PQS similar to TQR. Okay, see it is matching, you see now? QS. Then what is there? QR. Matching QR. Okay, it is matching. PQ. With PQ what it should match? PQ, TQ. But over here what is there? QT. So just correct these small things, okay? QS by QR will be equal to PQ. If it is PQ, if it is P then Q, then it should be T then Q. Okay, so T in place of QT you write what? TQ. Give this is what? Equation 2. Okay, equation. Done. Now we can prove that the triangles are similar. So now take in triangle PQS and triangle TQR. In triangle PQS and triangle TQR, at first what? At first very simple, we can say that what? Angle Q is equal to angle Q. Once you check the diagram also, PQS, which triangle? This one P, this one Q, see complete Q, and then S, this small triangle. Okay, PQS, angle Q is there. Again you see TQR, the larger triangle T, this one Q, this one R. Again this Q angle is there. So this Q angle is present in this triangle also, is present in this big triangle also. So we can say that angle PQS is equal to angle TQR. because this is the same angle, right? Common angle in both the triangles. So we will say what? Common angle. Common angle. Done. And one more what we will use? SAS property, right? One angle equal and the side, okay, touching these angles, and this angle should lie between this between these two sides. Okay. So what will be the sides ratio? This one. So we will say what? QS by QR should be equal to what? PQ by PQ. Right reason from 2. So we can say that therefore triangle PQS what is similar to what? Triangle TQR by what? SAS criteria. Okay. So hence proved. This one only we have to prove. Okay. Okay. So the next question you see, question number 5. Okay, the battery is actually very low today, so I forgot to charge my phone, so that's why the video is stopping. Okay, so okay, 2 or 3 more questions we will do somehow. I think so with 10% charge, I think so somehow we can do 2 to 3 more questions. Okay, let's see how much we can cover till the phone gets switched off. Okay, so now question number 5. Okay, diagram is not given. S and T are points on the side PR and QR of triangle PQR. Okay, draw a triangle PQR. This is P, this is Q, this is R. Okay. Such that angle P is equal to what? Angle RTS. Such that angle P will be equal to, okay, S and T, I forgot to give this one. S and T are 2 points on the side PR. S is over here, so this is S, and in QR what is there? T. So over here what is there? T. So S and T are 2 points on the side PR and QR. The T is over here. S and T are 2 points on the side PR and QR of triangle PQR, such that angle P, this angle P is equal to angle RTS. This is what? This is angle RTS. Okay, these two are equal, it is given. Show that triangle RPQ similar to triangle RTS. Very simple question, very simple question given you, right? Given in triangle PQR, angle P is equal to what? Angle P is equal to angle RTS. Okay. Now what we have to prove? Show that, na? Okay, you write to show. What we have to show? Triangle RPQ similar. Triangle RPQ similar triangle RTS. What is RPQ? Which triangle is RPQ? RPQ. Which triangle is RTS? RTS. So since in the question only it is given, they have only written, the book itself has written this one. So we can use the pattern. Na? So you see, R should be equal to what? R. Is R is equal to R? Do we know the reason? This is R of triangle what? Of triangle RPQ. This is angle R. Of RTS, this is only angle R. So yes, it is what? Common angle. Okay, next angle P should be equal to what? Angle T. Do we know this one? This is angle P. This is angle T. Do we know this one? Yes, we know. It is what? Given in the question. Angle Q should be equal to angle S. Angle Q should be equal to angle S. Do we know this one? We don't know this one. Okay, it is not given. But we no need also. Why? Because already 2 angles we have got. One will be what? Common angle. One it is given in the question. Sufficient. We will use the angle property. Okay. So proof. Directly consider this triangle in triangle RPQ and triangle RTS. We can say what? Angle. This one. Angle. What angle? See, first triangle is which one? RPQ. RPQ. The bigger triangle. Okay. So what will be the name of this angle? You can say that PRQ will be equal to angle what? SRT. Okay, SRT. Next obviously this one, angle P will be equal to what? Angle RTS. Okay, this one reason you write common angle. This reason what you will write given. It is already given in the question. So therefore done, two angles equal, AA similarity criterion. So therefore triangle RPQ is similar to triangle RTS by what? AA similarity criterion. So hence proved. Okay, this is the question. Very simple question. Okay, 2 marks question you can say. Okay, next question number 6. Yes, diagram is given. So you draw the diagram. Question number 6. Okay. This is the diagram. Okay. So what is given in this question? In figure 6.37, if triangle ABE, this triangle, okay, this upper portion triangle ABE, this one is congruent to triangle ACD, this side triangle, one is this side, one is that side. Okay, show that. Then again we have to show what? Triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. Write the given part. Question number 6. Given triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACD. Show that. What you have to show? To show triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. So now clearly, again in the book it is written like that, so we can use the trick. Clearly we can say that A will be equal to what? A. This is triangle ADE and this bigger is what? Triangle ABC. So clearly angle A will be equal to angle A. Common angle, one angle we have got. Any other angle? Do we know about this angle? Angle D, angle B. Angle D, angle B, we don't know. Parallel also not given, so we can say that corresponding angle. Parallel not given. Again angle E, angle C, angle E, angle C, again parallel not given, so we don't know that whether they are equal. So only one angle we know, and I've said if only one angle we know, and see nothing is given about sides. Okay, about proportionality nothing is given. So if only one angle we know, then we will prove by what? SAS, that one angle and other two sides. So from where we will bring the other two sides? From here. From here we will bring what? The other two sides. Okay, how you see? Proof. So proof. So what is given? Triangle AB, since triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACD. See, okay, this is ABE, the upper portion triangle, this side one, left one, and ACD is what? That side triangle. So clearly, see, I can say from here only, no need to look the diagram also. From here also I can say that what? AB will be equal to AC or not. Like similarity, this thing follows in congruence also. If I take the first two, over here also what? First two. And in the diagram also you can see this AB will be equal to what? AC. And why it will be equal? CPCT or not? By CPCT we can say if it is congruent then it is CPCT, right? So we can say that therefore AB will be equal to AC. Okay, CPCT. Next, you can give this one as a 1. Next, what we can say? If I look the diagram, I can say this AD will be equal to AE or not. I can say this AD will be equal to AE. See, where is this AD? This first and last, A and D. So over here A and D. I can say like that also, AD will be equal to AE. Same reason, CP, CT. Okay, we have got equal. But to prove similar, I need ratio. Something by something equal to something by something. So I have to divide these two. Now what I should do? AB by AD or AD by AB? That this thing you have to look this one. What is there at first? AB or AD? At first AD is there. So in up who will go? AD will go. So I have to do what? Now 2 divided by 1. So that AD goes up. Understood? You have to do what? AD by AB. Okay? Because over here AD is at first. So 2 divided by 1 means what? Left hand side is what? AD divided by, again left hand side what is there? AB. So AD by AB will be equal to, right hand side also you do the same thing, AE by AC. Done. AD by equal to AE by AC. You give this as what? Equation 3. Done. This one we will use. One angle we already have, angle A, common angle. We have got that sides, okay, touching sides, okay, adjacent sides we have got. So job done. So now directly consider this one. So now consider this thing in triangle. Now in triangle ADE and triangle ABC, what we will have at first? Very simple, angle DAE. This angle only, but the name will be what? DAE or not? Because in this triangle the limit is what? Till D and till E. So you cannot say BAC. In this triangle the name will be DAE. Will be equal to what? In this triangle, the bigger one, the name will be what? BAC. It will be BAC. Understood? Same angle, but since it is lying in this triangle, so the name will be DAE. And this angle lying in the bigger triangle, so the name will be what? BAC. Understood? If you look in this way, this is triangle what? This is triangle ADE. And the bigger one is what? And the bigger one is ABC. So in the smaller one, the name will be what? DAE. Same angle, but in this triangle the name will be DAE, and in the bigger triangle the name will be what? BAC. Okay. Reason you write common angle. The reason will be what? Common angle. The reason will be common angle. Done. Okay. So next is what? Next is this ratio we will use. Okay. SAS, right? AD by AB will be equal to AE by what? AC. Reason from 3. Done. So now what we can say? Therefore, triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC by what? By SAS. So this is what we were asked to prove. So hence proved. Okay. So simple question. Only you have to understand how we can prove this one. Okay. So just to practice this thing, and if you have any doubt, you can ask. Okay. Question number 7 is again very simple. Everything is given in the diagram. Only just you have to prove what? They are similar. If you can show also 2 angles equal, your triangles will be what? Your triangles will be similar. So from question number 7, 1 and 2 I will do. 3 and 4 you will do by yourself. Okay. Okay. So let us see. First draw the diagram. The diagram is given 6.38, right? So this is the triangle. This is the triangle CE. Okay. So one thing to clearly you can see that what, that these are what, 90 degrees. So 90 degree angle will be equal. Okay. Directly you can say what, equal to 90 degree you can mention. Okay. So what is given in this question, you see. In 6.38 altitude AD and CE. So if it is AD and CE are altitude, that means what, this angle 90, this angle 90 degree. Okay. Intersect altitude intersect each other at point P. Show that this 4 you have to show. Okay. Very simple question. Okay. Number 1 and number 2 I will do. Say number 1. Directly consider the triangle. In triangle, what are the triangle AEP and triangle CDP. So from here only I can say what will be equal and what will not be equal. Okay. So A will be equal to what? C. But reason you check from the diagram. Which is this triangle AEP? AEP. This one. Okay. This triangle. This triangle is AEP. CDP. This triangle. Okay. Okay. So what I have said, angle A will be equal to angle C. Angle A will be equal to angle C. Do I know the reason? I don't know any reason. Okay. So forget about this angle. Next angle. Angle E will be equal to angle D. Angle E will be equal to angle D. Do I know the reason? Yes, 90 degree altitude, right? So this angle equal. So one got E and D equal. Okay. Next, angle P will be equal to angle P. Always don't write. Okay. By looking only, don't write that is common angle. Sometimes it is not common angle. Okay. Either it will be common angle or it will be vertically opposite angle. Once you check in the diagram, many students makes a mistake. What? Okay, TP is there, so common angle. Every time it will not be common angle. Over here you see, this is angle P, and in this triangle this is angle P. Are they common angle? They are not common angle. They are what? They are vertically opposite angle. But over here also this is the common vertex. Over here also this is the common vertex. But they are not common angle. Common angle are how? So this is one angle. Again for this triangle also this is the angle. Exactly this is the angle. Then we can say that it is common angle. Okay. But this is what? This is vertically opposite angle. So yes, we have got two angles. So one is what? One is this one. Angle E. So what I can write? Angle AEP will be equal to angle with what it is equal? With D, right? So I can write this one only CDP. But equal to 90 degree. Next one is what? P and P, right? So I can write angle APE. Just bring the P to the middle in the vertex position. We will be equal to bring the P to the middle. CPD. What will be the reason? Not common angle. What? Vertically opposite angle. Okay. Vertically opposite angles. Done. Okay. We need only two. So therefore, triangle AEP is similar to triangle CDP. Done. Like this you have to do. Okay. Very simple. Okay. One more I will do. So let us see the next triangle. What is the next triangle? Number 2. Number 2, what is given? In triangle ABD and triangle CB. Okay, write the next triangle name. Number 2. In triangle ABD and triangle CBE and triangle CBE. So solution. Okay, from here only we can predict, right? A will be equal to what? C. At first you check the triangle, which triangles these are. So ABD, this is A, this is B, this is D. So this bigger triangle, okay, this complete this bigger triangle, ABD. Next is what? Okay, next is what? CBE. What is CBE? CBE. This side triangle. Okay, this side bigger triangle. One is this one lying in the base. One is like that, it is standing. Okay. So from here we can predict A will be equal to what? C. Again, this A will be equal to C. We don't know the reason. Okay, so forget about this. B will be equal to B. Now either they are common angle or they are vertically opposite angle. Check in the diagram. So in this triangle, this is angle B. In ABD, this is angle B. and in CBE, this is only angle B. So this time it will be common angle. Okay. Next, D will be equal to what? E. D will be equal to what? E. So we know this one 90 degrees. So we have got again two angles. So solution in triangle this and this, what I can say? One is what? One is common angle. So I can write angle ABD will be equal to angle CBE. Reason what? Common angles. Next, bring this D middle. ADB will be equal to what? Angle CEB, but equal to 90 degree. So therefore triangle ABD is similar to triangle CBE by what? By AA. So question number 3 and 4 you will try by yourself, exactly same. 90 degree one will stay, another one either it will be vertically or it will be common angle. Okay. So ink is also finished. Phone is also about to get switched off. So today we will stop here. From question number 8 we will continue from our next class. Okay. So thank you.